What if walking could instantly heal your anxiety? A Vietnamese Buddhist monk discovered a practice so simple yet so powerful that it's transformed millions of lives. Today, I'm teaching you Thich Nhat Hanh's walking meditation, a tool you can use anywhere, anytime. Welcome to Major Inspiration. Thich Nhat Hanh was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize by Martin Luther King Jr. He taught mindfulness to Google employees and Congress members. His walking meditation has helped millions with anxiety and stress. Let me show you how. Who was Thich Nhat Hanh? Thich Nhat Hanh was born in Vietnam in 1926 and became a Buddhist monk at 16. During the Vietnam War, he worked for peace and coined engaged Buddhism, the idea that meditation and action go together. He was exiled for 39 years because of his peace activism. He founded Plum Village Monastery in France and spent his life making Buddhist wisdom accessible to everyone. No complex philosophy, just simple, practical tools. He passed away in 2022, but millions still practice his teachings. What is walking meditation? Walking meditation is exactly what it sounds like, meditating while you walk. But here's the difference. Normally, when you walk, your mind is elsewhere, thinking about your to-do list, replaying conversations, scrolling your phone. Thich Nhat Hanh taught us to be fully present with each step, not getting somewhere, not exercising, just walking slowly, mindfully with awareness. He said, walk as if you are kissing the earth with your feet. Each step becomes an act of love and presence. Here's why it works for anxiety. Anxiety lives in the future, imagining bad things that haven't happened. But when you're fully present with walking, anxiety can't exist. Studies show walk-in meditation reduces anxiety, lowers stress hormones, and improves focus. How to do it? Step by step. Here's exactly how to practice. You can do this anywhere, home, park, even a hallway. Stand and breathe. Stand still. Take 3 deep breaths. Feel your feet on the ground. Bring your attention to this moment. Walk slowly. Walk much slower than normal. You're not going anywhere. You're just walking. Step 3. Coordinate. Breath with steps. As you breathe in, take 2 to 3 steps. As you breathe out, take 2 to 3 steps. Silently say in on the inhale, out on the exhale. This synchronizes breath and movement. Feel your feet, really feel each step. Heel landing, weight shifting, toes pushing off. Notice the sensation. When your mind wanders, your mind will wander, that's normal. When you notice, gently bring attention back to breath and steps. No judgment. Practice 10 to 20 minutes. Start with 10 minutes. Walk back and forth if you're in a small space. Thich Nhat Hanh said, the real miracle is not to walk on water or in thin air, but to walk on earth. Why this works for anxiety? When you're anxious, your nervous system is in fight or flight. Your mind races, your body tenses, you're stuck in your head. Walking meditation works because it does 3 things. First, it engages your body. Anxiety is trapped energy. Walking releases it. Slow walking calms your nervous system instead of escalating it. Second, it anchors you in sensation. When you focus on feet touching ground and breath moving, you pull attention out of anxious thoughts into present reality. Third, it gives your mind a task. The coordination of breath and steps occupies your mind just enough to stop the worry spiral. Thich Nhat Hanh taught that peace is every step. You don't need to achieve anything. Peace is right here in this step, this breath, this moment. Bringing it into daily life. Once you learn this, you can use it everywhere. Walk into your car, make it meditation. Walk into the bathroom? Meditation? Walk in through a store? Meditation? You don't always need to walk slowly. Once you understand it, you can practice at normal pace. The key is awareness, feeling your feet, noticing breath, being present. Set a phone alarm labeled peace is every step. When it rings, take a mindful walk for 2 minutes. Thich Nhat Hanh said, the present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. This practice doesn't require special beliefs. You don't need to be Buddhist. You just need to walk something you already do with awareness. Real world application. I've used this during my most anxious moments. 5 minutes of walking meditation can shift your entire state. It's like hitting a reset button. You can practice in a meeting break, during lunch, or before bed. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Eventually, all your walking can be meditation. The beauty is that you're not adding something to your day, you're transforming something you already do. Every step becomes an opportunity for peace. Call to action. Thich Nhat Hanh gave us a gift. Peace isn't something we find later. It's here, now, in each step. Try this today. 10 minutes. Find space. Slow down. Breathe with your steps. Feel your feet. Notice how you feel after. Subscribe to Major Inspiration for more practical mindfulness. Comment below. Did you try it? How did it feel? Remember, peace is every step